Hello learners. Welcome back to another exciting video. In today's session, we learn promise in JavaScript. So let's get started. Watch this video till the end. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to access the web development playlist from the description box and subscribe to this channel. Also like this video as it motivates me through this YouTube journey. Let's first go through the theory part. A promise is like a guarantee that you'll get a result in the future, either success or failure. A promise is used for tasks that take time, like loading data from a server. It gives a result in the future, either success or failure. There are three different states of promise. Pending, when you are waiting for the promise to get executed. Resolved, when your promise is successfully fulfilled. Rejected, when your promise is not fulfilled or something went wrong. Finally, let's talk about the different steps involved for creating promises. First, we create a promise within the creation. Resolve is called when promise is successful. Reject is called when promise fails. After promise is created, we handle the promise result. While handling. Then is used when the promise is successful. Catch is used when there's an error. Now it's time to execute some examples. We have created a very simple promise. Now, we need to handle the result obtained from this promise using .then and .catch. Then gets executed when the promise is resolved. Catch gets executed when the promise is rejected. You can clearly see the output. When the success variable is true, the promise gets resolved. Whereas, when success variable is false, the promise gets rejected. Let's understand promise with one more example. This time we will use setTimeout method in order to increase the waiting time for the promise to get executed. We have already learnt setTimeout in our previous video. If you have not watched the video, I would request you to watch the video from the playlist, link of which is in the description. setTimeout contains the function and the time delay within the small brackets. You can clearly see that it takes around 3 seconds to give the output of the promise. Hence, every time we run the code, the promise remains pending for 3 seconds. This was all you need to learn in Promise. Promise has a very wide use case in real-time projects. Now you need to practice the syntax as much as you can in order to master this topic. That's all for this video. I hope I was able to explain every part of the code and its execution in a simple and easy to understand way. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to drop a comment. I'll make sure to reply. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more such content. See you very soon in the next video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Bye.